Hi, I'm Jayeesha and I'm here today at First Avenue Middle School. I'm here to look at FA's library and its many new innovative changes, such as their Makerspace program and their library renovations. Let's dive in and get a deeper understanding of how these have impacted the school. First Avenue Middle School's library has been the subject of recent changes from both staff and students. First Avenue's library received some renovations during the summer of this year to improve the appearance and functionality of the space. In addition to this, students at the middle school have founded a program called Makerspace, dedicated to transforming the school's previous unused library space into a new community space. The renovation was a collaboration between FA's librarian, Mrs. Noda, FA's principal, Dr. Isa, and the PTA. Multiple steps went into this process, so let's take a closer look at the different factors that went into renovating the library.
It took several months. It started last year of the school year. We packed up all the books. I had PTA help me. The old bookcases were demolished and the new bookcases were installed. And during the summer, I put everything back. So it took a good several months to do all this.
In addition to the physical changes, there's also a new filing system.
Based on genreification and no longer the Dewey Decimal System. The students love it. It's very easy to now look for a book. Before they would be filed under the author's last name, but now it's filed under the certain category of books, and they can go towards whatever genre they feel like reading.
In addition, it makes it easier for Mrs. Noda to organize books. Not only does the upgrade make resources more accessible, it also provides a stylish new look. Overall, it's been a huge success at First Avenue. What happened to the old bookcases, you may ask? Well, after they were demolished, they were given to First Avenue's industrial tech teacher, Mr. Graves, to reuse in future projects. Overall, the upgrade has made the library a lot easier to navigate, and students and teachers alike really love it. Makerspace was a program created by a group of Class of 2023 First Avenue students. Now that they're at the high school, their succeeding class is taken over, and they have decided to take their own spin on it. Let's hear about some of the changes they plan to make.
Our future plans for Makerspace are we're gonna reiterate on some things we've already done. We've painted some stuff, but we want to do more painting. And then maybe we might add some things to the stations, like record something or make something so kids understand like what the station can do.
Makerspace has benefited me personally because I got to know my peers better. And then Max, he also taught me a lot about the RC cars. Thanks to him, I can run the station. I've helped out a lot of people. I've made new friends, and it's just been a great experience.
I think that the Makerspace team, we have a really good dynamic. Makerspace is made up of a lot of different stations, and each member has their own individual skills and talents, which help contribute to Makerspace.
Managing Makerspace is a huge responsibility for these students, and they can learn many skills such as collaboration, time management, and more.
One unique thing about Makerspace is that unlike a lot of other things on campus, Makerspace is a reserved place where kids can release their creativity, and unlike it being a classroom or an elective, it's a student-led program.
Makerspace is important to First Avenue's campus because it's a place where students can freely explore different STEAM fields and express their creativity. The students come to sign up without the pressure of teachers or parents. Makerspace also has things relevant in life, such as engineering or robotics, which ultimately helps students in the future.
The new Makerspace team carries on the legacy of the past students, and they're doing an excellent job of managing Makerspace. The future of the program looks bright, and the second generation of Makerspace students have proven themselves to be capable of working in many different creative fields, as well as directing their fellow students.
The thing that really motivated me to work in Makerspace was that in 7th grade, I really had nowhere to go. It really motivated me to start working on this because I know there are still many other kids that are similar to me that don't know where to go. So Makerspace is just a place where anyone can go.
Being one of the founders of Makerspace was really fun because we were able to choose which stations we were and what interested the students. And it was really fun creating space because we did it with friends.
First Avenue staff as well as their students have benefited greatly from all the improvements made to their library, as well as their future students too. The facility upgrades at many campuses all around Arcadia will continue to allow AUSD schools to thrive and change. This has been Jayeesha reporting for AUSD Today.